Hello everyone. I just wanted to share with you one trade I made today, and this is going to be probably the only one for me today because it's Friday and also Monday is a holiday, so I don't think that I'm gonna take any additional risks here. But I wanted to share with you the trade that I made. So you see here, market is still open. It's 11:53 on September 2nd, Friday 2022. Okay, so let's get started. So I took the trade right here in this point. So let me mark it right there as usual. So you see that that I do have my bands here for a range market. So ended up, so that one is the upper side of it, and then this is the first area of resistance it went through, and then this is the second area of resistance it went through as well. So I took it a little bit anticipated of the move right here, and then the first target for 20 ticks was up here. Okay, so that is the first target, and then the second target, or the second contract was sold at this stop right there. Okay, so the total is, as you see here, is $812 for today, and I'm going to just leave it there. Okay, so a couple of things that I wanted to note on this trade here. If you see, there's a move here from, I should have, this is not a part of my rules, so I didn't take it for one was that reason, but this one was a good entry right here. Let me toggle off the draw so you can see it better. But if you see in this area here, we do have a previous day high. Okay, so market was coming down and then bounce off there. When I saw this one, I thought that I could enter at this point right there, one tick above the bounce, because it was already very close to the this previous high, and that would gave me probably another $800 there for this run. From here to there, and then second run would be there, but it's not in my rules. So I don't take counter trend trades in areas that are below the moving averages here. So you see that there. So I do have moving average right there, right there, right there, and right there, and they are all stuck to the downside. So the probability that this would do something like this and come back down is high. So I don't take them, but I think it was a good trade. In the last couple of days, or actually in this week, I haven't been very active at all, and I've been testing some automated strategies that were not very successful because I was trying to design one where all my rules were met. And you see in this case here, if you put all the rules that I have, the entry here is well, first of all, is all the moving averages are stuck to the downside, but then also you are a little bit oversold in this indicator, which is the MQ momentum. And then you have here that in this area here, Hold on, I did something wrong there. So you see that in this area here, right there, the momentum is already over 25. So if I would do an automated strategy, I wouldn't have taken this one, nor this, nor this one, because of the moving averages there. So this one kind of met all the criteria. Another thing that that I wanted to show you in here is in the ES is a small the small bars. And let me see where I put the trade. Okay, I don't have it marked with it. Oh, sorry. Yeah, the data series here. Okay, so if you see, my entry was in that tick over there, right? But the stop was in the large bar. So if you see here, I'm gonna, yeah. So if you see here, that was the entry, one tick above the reversal, but then my stop was down here based on the large bars, and that is where my first target went off, and then kept moving up, and then this is where the other contract came out. So yeah, so $812. Thank you for watching.